I'm here at ASUS North America headquarters in Fremont, California to build a PC with the winner of the Extreme PC Makeover Contest Back to School Edition. This happens to be our fourth makeover, but this time around, instead of bombarding someone's home and making over their space, this is her in all her glory.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love it. We're headed to a school, Ohlone College, because the winner, Preston, is a professor of esports at Ohlone College. He won this giveaway for his students. And when ASUS learned about his passion for teaching, esports, and more importantly, his students, they wanted to do a little bit more. You see, Preston thinks he's coming here to just get one PC for his club, but actually, they're getting all of this too. We have 6 ROG Nooks, plus the PC we're gonna build today. That's a total of 7 new systems. They're also getting 7 monitors, 7 sets of peripherals, and chairs. But he's almost here, so I need to hide all of this. They're here, come on! Hi guys, welcome! It's so good to meet you. So you ready?
Absolutely.
Come on in. So we're so excited that you're here to build this PC. But first, let's introduce yourself to everyone. So we'll start with you.
Okay, my name is Elisa, and I'm the current president of Ohlone Renegade Esports.
My name is Noe, and I'm one of the founding fathers of the club.
I'm Jazz, and I'm the vice president for Renegade Esports.
And I'm Preston. I am a professor at Ohlone College, and I teach an amazing class that's called Esports 101.
Now, if you turn right here, these are all the components for the PC that we're going to be building today. Have any of you ever built a PC before?
No.
Nope.
I built my first PC, which was like 6 years ago, so.
Are you nervous? Do you have any questions?
A little bit, but nobody will help me, right?
I'll help you.
Well, we're going to have a ton of fun, so let's get it started.
Let's go.
Awesome.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is prep our motherboard. This is the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Pro Wi-Fi board. Who wants the important job of putting our processor in?
I can do it.
I believe in you. All right, why don't you start unboxing that, get that open.
It's like surgery.
Yes.
There it is.
Perfection.
Nice job. All right, so next up is our RAM and our SSDs,
Okay.
our storage, which I do want to just give a special thank you to KINGSTON. They've been very supportive of this whole PC makeover series. So I do have a question for you, because you technically could have won this PC for yourself. You qualified based on the requirements, but you decided to pay it forward to the students. Why is that?
Well, the whole reason I joined the competition in the first place was for the students. And a big reason for that is that there's a lack of accessibility for, gaming PCs. I had a lot of students over the last 6 months reach out to me, whether it be tryouts or playing on a team, if there is a open space for the student to come to campus, a quiet space where they can play competitively on a rig that is reliable, and we just don't have that right now. So I wanted to create a space or a computer that students can come and use when they need it.
Oh, nice.
Like a pro.
Nice.
Ooh.
Good. Good to go.
Now that the motherboard is ready, the next thing that we're gonna do is put it inside the case.
Wait, line at the bottoms too.
There you go.
Oh, that looks good. That looks flush.
Preston, you also mentioned that the club has significantly grown. How big is it?
Well, the club is currently at 387 to 400 students, roughly around there. Yeah, and
About a 6-month period.
in a 6-month period. It grew so fast. I sent out a message on the old Discord. I had a student named Noe come and jump on and say, I want to help. He messaged everybody that was on the Discord, went around with me, and we put flyers around the campus. When school started, we got a booth to sit down and advertise our club and say, come play games with us, with a link to our Discord. The response we got was unbelievable. There's so many students that wanted a place like this on campus.
Next is our AIO, our all-in-one liquid CPU cooler. We're using the TUF Gaming LC II 360. I know that this club has been very special because it brought on a sense of community among the students.
That was built by the students. I mean, we gave a platform for them to come and participate, but they came out and they participated in our team tryouts, and they became a team, and that team became a community. We have students that come in the Discord every day. I mean, this is a community college, right?
Yeah.
And so a lot of their friends go off to four-year colleges, and students are left losing their community. But this gives them the opportunity to really make new friends and participate in something they love. Gamers traditionally do not have a huge acceptance for what they love. They can't talk about it at home, so this is a community where they can be themselves.
Now we have our 1,000 watt gold power supply. Yep, there you go. Okay, cool, and then the last one goes there. So Preston, where do you see the club progressing in the next year? Like, what would your dream be?
My dream, first of all, I'm working on making new classes. Whether it would be a degree or a certificate, I'm in the process of creating that and pitching it to the higher ups right now. In terms of the club and esports at Ohlone, I really want to expand that 2 times, 3 times the amount we have now. I want more events, more tournaments. I want more connection to industry. I want to create an entire esports arena for these students to play on campus with their friends as a team. That is the dream.
All right, so we've made it to the final component. We have our GPU.
That is a big moment.
Who's gonna put the last component in?
Lisa, you got it.
Okay. The president.
So what are some of the popular game titles that the students play in your club?
So right now we have about 4 teams. 2 for Valorant, 1 for League of Legends, and 1 for Rainbow Six Siege. These are the most popular games, but that doesn't mean those are the only games that we will serve. We have plans to open up a Overwatch team next semester, and whatever the students want to compete in, we want to support. That's the dream right there.
So what about you guys?
Well, I play Valorant mainly. I hover around Plat, Diamond, but I just play more on the casual side, not too competitively.
Yeah, same with me. Pretty much just Plat and Diamond, and then I also play like Rust.
I play a lot of League of Legends. My highest rank was Emerald, but I'm more of a casual gamer now, so I like playing a lot of story games like Red Dead Redemption and Fallout, so.
Should we do a countdown?
Sure.
All right,
Let's
so
do it.
make sure you flick the switch on the
All
side.
right. Power.
Oh, I see some lights. Okay, you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Yay! Good job! ASUS was really touched by your story. So, you're not just getting this PC, but you're getting a little bit more.
Oh my God.
Jazz, you're standing behind like a door that opens up.
Okay.
Can you slide that open
Behind door number 1.
and pull out those 3 boxes? That is the ROG Nook. That is a PC.
Are you serious?
No
So
way.
you're not just getting one.
No. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
There's 3.
That is amazing.
I think we could do a little bit better.
Oh my God. Just keep going. This is crazy.
This is insane. No way.
This is the ROG Nook 760. It's powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor paired with an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU.
Thank you guys, seriously.
Yeah,
This is so cool.
ASUS is also going to pair each Nook with its own monitor,
No way.
a set of peripherals, and we have some gaming chairs. Tomorrow, 25 students from the club are coming to kind of see the reveal, but they just think it's one PC.
I think it's one PC.
Yeah.
All right, so keep it a secret.
Wow.
Insane.
Yeah,
It's gonna be crazy.
They're gonna be like, what?
All right, let's head to Ohlone.
The next day.
Today is the day of the transformation. We are here at Ohlone's Newark campus. Let's go find Preston. Hello!
Welcome.
Hi, thank you.
So this is our campus.
This is beautiful.
It is absolutely amazing.
You mentioned that this is the tech campus?
Yeah, it was built quite recently. And the whole idea here is we are gonna service our CS students, our nursing students over at this wing.
Oh, wow. And
In
home
here.
of esports.
And home of esports, yes.
So lead me in the direction. Where
We're
are we
going
headed?
that away.
Okay.
We're headed to my office / esports closet.
All right, so this is where you keep all of the laptops and...
Yes, they're a little outdated. They've definitely been here for generations. And the students like to call them the dinosaurs.
the spot that we're actually going to transform.
So it'll be right across the hallway.
All right, let's go check that out.
Let's do it. So this is our space, and right now
Wow.
it's pretty big. And if we have any tournaments of any sort, we actually have the ability to knock the walls down.
To double the size.
Double the size completely.
Which
and
I'm sure comes in hand, considering how much the club has
it,
grown.
it does. Actually, we've done a lot of tournaments where we have had to knock down the walls. And make it bigger so we can fit more students in here.
Talked about kind of making everything front and center.
We did.
So is this is the area right
This
here?
is it right here.
Okay. All right. I have some ideas. I know we have a few students that are here to help with the actual setup.
Yes.
So let's go get them.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming.
Are you ready to see your next gaming setup?
Yeah.
Come on up. 3, 2, 1. Go check it out.
Welcome in, guys. I'm gonna pass the door. ASUS promised, originally ASUS promised that they would get us a PC for our college, and they decided to do a little bit more. We can actually stream here, by the way. We can live events. I think it's time to go, guys.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Renegades, this has been a very fun weekend for me and a very special episode of the ASUS Extreme PC Makeover. So thank you for welcoming me into your home. And Preston, it has just been
a dream come true.
It has been. So I want to give ASUS a special thank you.
Thank you, ASUS!
That wraps up this episode of the ASUS Extreme PC Makeover. You never know, you might be the next winner. Until next time, bye!
Bye!
All right, guys, that's a wrap.